I'm going to show you how to turn a pop can into a pop bottle. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, I just bought this. It's a 2-pack of can toppers that turn the top of a pop can into a pop bottle, which is a little funny to me. Now, they actually can serve a couple of purposes, but for them to serve the right purpose for me, I actually need to be pretty confident in that they work well. Now, these are by Capp. This is a pink and a blue. So guys and girls. Oh man, if we lived in a culture where we had genders. Anyway, you can buy them at snapcapp.com. The cap has 2 P's in it, FYI. They kind of look like a big-mouthed bottle. This cap is actually much bigger than I would have expected. When you get like a individual pop bottle at a gas station or convenience store, the caps are much smaller than they are here. This is a very wide mouth and big cap. Now you can see here, just goes on. There doesn't seem to be any silicone topper or anything like that, so it's just going to use the force of the twist to hold the cap in place and make sure that it's waterproof. Has a little bit of a bell like here, and then it does have a little ridge inside. Now, what you're supposed to do here is take this, and I have a regular pop can here, Coke limited edition cinnamon, and it's supposed to go right on the top here. Now, I am really concerned about the waterproofing or the seal right here because I feel like it's going to dribble out. So I'm just going to go ahead and push this on. You have to open your can first, and I'm going to do it on the table here. All right. You may have heard that it went on there with authority. You can see how much lower than the lip of the can. The unpainted edge of the can is right there. You can see it through the plastic, and then it kind of hugs the top portion, that beveled portion right there. So now what we have to do is see if I can actually drink out of this. What it's going to do is it's going to pour out of here, and because you have that lid of the can up there, I assume that the pop or the drink or the liquid is going to accumulate there, but it's okay because this should trap it all in. So let's give it a little try. Okay, first test, it works. It's a little funny because as you're drinking it, it's like pouring pop out of a can. You can kind of see it blub, 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 doing that like gurgling thing as it's coming out of the small opening of the can. So it's not flowing like you would expect. Like your mind says, hey, I've got this big open bottle mouth right there, and you just kind of expect it to flow out. It's only flowing as fast as the can opening there. So that's the bottleneck. I'd say no pun intended, but I knew what I was doing. So that's one thing. That's pretty awesome. And you can actually see that there's some Coke there, and it does not seem to be coming out of the bottom. So that's pretty good. Now, the benefit of this is that you don't have to drink the whole can. If I top it off, just like that, now I can use this kind of like a water bottle. I can drink a little. I don't have to force it all down. Maybe if I'm on a road trip or hiking with a can, I can put it back in my backpack and use it a little later. Now, the question is this tight enough to keep it from just leaking over everything? Ooh. Okay, so one of the drawbacks of this is if you're going to cap this to drink the rest of it later, you want to make sure it doesn't get shaken up, because I guess one of the advantages of pop cans is that they're very strong and they can take the pressure of the carbonation. When you put a cap up here, it can blow the cap off or even maybe remove the whole plastic top piece there. So it definitely can preserve the drink for later, but I would not take this with me on a hike or a walk or anywhere that it might get shaken up after you've already opened it. So, hey, if you want to pick up these caps, you definitely can. They have some purpose and some value, but don't shake them. That's my warning to you. Hey, a link for these is in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.